Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to set a closing date in ZarMoney. It's important to close our books annually when we file taxes. This is because if we ever get audited, we want to be able to provide the same numbers from our accounting system now that we did back when we filed. It's also considered good practice to close your books monthly if you're on an accrual basis. This is because when you reconcile your balance sheet accounts, you want to make sure that the numbers don't change month over month. Because changes in prior month reconciliations would affect your reconciliation in the current month. Okay, now let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, click the gear icon, which is our company preferences. From the left-hand sidebar, we want to select Accounting under our company options. Okay, here's the screen where we can set our closing date. An important field to note here is the first month of the fiscal year. We want to make sure this is accurate because this affects our equity section of our balance sheet. Because this determines when ZarMoney closes your net income into your retained earnings account. To close your books as of the end of the calendar year, simply type 12/31/2019 and then enter. A screen will pop up prompting you to enter your password to ensure that you have the authority to set this closing date. Once you enter your password, click Save and Close. Okay, now let's see this feature in action. I'm going to attempt to create an invoice. I'm going to date the invoice December 5th, 2019. Then I'm going to attempt to save and close. As you can see, I will be able to create the transaction, but I will have to enter my password in order to do so. If you want to unlock your books, simply click Unlock. Remember, you can set who has access to this under the User Security tab in Roles. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.